This is a great little microwave. I usually just do coffee or whatever, so I don't really use it that much. Maybe reheating some food. Even my cat likes it. Lots of options. Easy to use. Looks really cute. And it's small, fits great on my kitchen counter in my tiny home.
So here she is in all of her glory, in an off-white cream color. It's from the brand COMFEE. Super easy to use, all sorts of different buttons. My favorite part is that you can put it in eco mode to save energy. So to turn it back on, just, there we go. Lots of room in it, even though it is tiny. You can fit a full-sized plate, which is what I loved about it. Lots of different options for cooking. Honestly, I have no complaints about this microwave. It works great. It really packs a punch in the power department, and it's cute. What more could you ask for?
Alright, so I literally just bought this microwave from Amazon. I also bought the plug for it, you know. Alright, so with this microwave, once you turn it on, it's like for 30 seconds and it stops. When it stops, you know, you can't just open it like this, you know. You would have to go and press the open door to actually open this microwave. It's pretty decent, pretty small, good to use.
Está hermoso.
You want all bad.